In this video, we want to find the Laplace transform of t cubed times e to the t. In order to solve this, we're going to use a frequency shifting theorem, which says that the Laplace transform of e to the at power times f of t is equal to capital F of s of minus a, where capital F of s is the Laplace transform of f of t. Now, the transform of t to the n power is just going to be n factorial over s to the n plus 1. Here we have t cubed, so we're going to replace n with 3 and get 3 factorial over s to 3 plus 1, which is 6 over s to the fourth. So capital F of s is equal to 6 over s to the fourth. Now we want to apply the shift. So clearly we have e to the t, which a in this case is going to be 1. So we're going to replace in this formula here a with 1. So we have capital F of s minus 1. We said capital F of s is 6 over s to the fourth power. So we're going to replace s with s minus 1 to get the Laplace transform as 6 over s minus 1 raised to the fourth power.